Hey everyone, this is Pritham, and as you know that we have launched our course that is AutoCAD 2D for the civil engineers. But as per your demand, many of you are demanding that to make this course free on YouTube. So that's the today's update for this course, that we are making this course free on YouTube. That is complete AutoCAD 2D for the civil engineers. So let's get started. Are you a civil engineering student who wants to learn AutoCAD but feels confused about where to start? You might have watched multiple YouTube videos. You might have even know some basic commands, but still you are not confident enough to create a complete professional floor plan on your own. And that became a major problem with when you apply for any internship or for any academic project or anything like in the college or anything, or enter the real construction industry. Because in the industry, knowing theory is not enough. You must know how to create the floor plan, elevation drawing, section view, that is the section drawing, then the professional 2D civil layouts using AutoCAD. So, where this course comes to an entry. This course is specially designed for the civil engineering student who want to learn AutoCAD from the scratch to a professional level. In this course, you will learn all the essential drawing commands, modify tools like the offset, trim, mirror, scale, then the object snap tool and the precision drafting techniques, layer management for the professional drawing, dimensioning, annotation. Then after you can see for the block creation, for the door, windows and all the details. And most importantly, you will create a complex or a simple. First of all, you will see for a simple floor plan, and then after we will start with the second as the residential floor plan. Okay, in it we will see for the elevation view, means the elevation drawing, section drawing. We will see all these concepts step by step from scratch, just like it is done in the real civil engineering projects. By the end of this course, you will be able to create a professional 2D civil engineering drawing, then the proper residential layout, export the working drawing, and confidently use AutoCAD for the academic and the real world projects. So, let's get started with our content, what we are going to take. So, basically, here it is the AutoCAD 2D for the civil engineers. This is basically to create a professional 2D civil engineering drawing for the real world projects. I have divided this course into a different sections. There are basically about, I have taken about 13 sections. So let's see what we are going to take in these 13 sections. Section 1, that is basically we will be starting with the AutoCAD, and we will be knowing the introduction to AutoCAD, where we will be start from the basic, that is about the course, what we are currently doing. And then after we will be starting with the what is AutoCAD, the user interface of it, then some toolbars and all that concept of it. Then we will be seeing it from each and every depth, like how to change the page color and the theme, how to change the crosshair settings, how to change the units and the limits, how to navigate the navigation bar, and all the basic concept of it in this course. Okay, that we will be doing in this section 1, the introduction part. In the section 2, we will be seeing with the draw toolbar. Basically it is the very much important, and all concept of this AutoCAD is basically in this draw toolbar only. Means we are going to start the foundation from this part only, that is the draw toolbar. It is been divided into two parts for the faster approach of you. Okay, and I am not taking it as the 1 2 or 5 minutes video for each and every command. I have taken as per your wish, that is the I have taken a half an hour videos, like for the part 1 half hour, for the part 2 half hour. Because in this part 1 I will be just covering this much part, that is the line, polyline, rectangle, polygon, a circle, arc and the ellipse. Okay, all this concept whatever are present in the draw toolbar, I will be going from the very basic of it, and will be dealing it to a very best format of it. Okay, uh, when if I gone from the for the line tool only, if I take it as the 2 to 3 minutes video, you will be get bored, and you will be not much more interested. If you will be doing 4 to 5 videos, watching 4 to 5 videos, and then after you will be get bored. But that's the case with the many of the student. So what I have done, that is I have taken this into a different parts, and converted into a proper format, like half an hour video to 1 hour video, half to 1 hour. In it we will be covering all the concept of a particular toolbar, and after watching it you will be much more confident and feel more detail in it. Okay, whatever is required for the civil part, I will going to take that part. Okay, we will be not taking each and everything. Okay, make a note of it. We will be not taking each and everything. If it is required for the mechanical part, you can go for the mechanical, but we are going here with the civil concept, so we will be doing here only the civil part. Okay, then in the part 2 we will be seeing for the construction line ray. This construction line is very much important in our particularly making the section elevation plan. Okay, then the multiple points, divide, measure, then the hatch basics. We will be seeing all the concept of the hatch. Like this way the section 2 will be get covered. Then the section 3, in which we will be seeing for the modify toolbar, over which you are able to see that the it is also been divided into two parts, that is the part 1, part 2. All the concept of whatever is present in this parts will be covering it. Then after, in this section 4 we will start here. Here you can see that the essential drafting settings like the status bar and the toggle keys, that is the part 1, over which the object snap, ortho mode, and all these concepts are in present. We will be taking them in depth. Okay, then after you can see for this section 5, which is the array toolbar, that is we are going for the rectangular array, polar array, and the path array. I have cleared all this concept very perfectly here. After that the section 6 will come. In it we are going to see for the dimension and annotation toolbar. It is the very much important topic of the basics. Okay, we will be seeing all about the dimension. It has been divided in two parts, then the how to add the leaders, then the tables, and all about the text, means how to add the completely text like this. This is the floor plan, and here you can see that the dimension, annotation, and this text are being present. How to add it, we will be seeing all of this concept very perfectly. This is the ribbon area. We will be seeing all of this perfectly, and I have covered each and everything perfectly here. Okay, what the dimension annotation toolbar, this is the dimension annotation toolbar. Okay, then after covering this section 6 till here, the basic part will be get covered. Okay, all the basic whatever is required for the civil purpose I have taken here, and it has been covered here. Section, then after we will start with the section 7, where we will be start with the floor plan over one. That is basically I have taken a simple complete floor plan which we will be making from the scratch, over which I have divided into a particularly different segment or the different points. Okay, that is basically how to set the units and the limit, create the layers, making walls, doors, then creating the blocks, how to add the dimension. Each and every step I have taken in depth, and by covering of this floor plan 1, we will be starting it with the scratch part, and at the end of this floor plan 1 we will be seeing how to export it into a PDF format. Okay, as you are being confused with how to export it, I have cleared that part very perfectly. Okay, then after we will see for this section 8. In this section 8 we have seen for this floor plan 2 that we will be adding a complex complete floor plan, which we will be doing with the completely from scratch till the exporting part, the same way as we have done for this floor plan 1. Okay, same all this concept will be present, but some different approach or the complex complete floor plan. Okay, then after we will start with the section 9, what that is basically the floor plan 2, that is 10.1 cross 10.6 meter, the advanced way. This section 9 is the basic of this floor plan 2. This both the plans are the same, but the approach is different. For this floor plan 2, the section which is present in the section 8, I have taken it from the basic level, from the scratch, and seen it as you are a beginner, and at that level I have taken that part. And then after we will be moving further into the section 9 with a advanced way of making it, a fast way of making it, and a more useful way of making this floor plan 2, that is 10.1 cross 10.6 meter. That is basically the advanced way. Unit we have seen for the introduction part 1 and the part 2 concept of this section of this floor plan 2. I have converted into two parts. Then of this same floor plan 2, we will be starting with the next part, as we have seen in the introduction, that we will be going for the elevation view. Okay, after completion of this floor plan we will be going for this elevation view on the same floor plan. This is basically this whatever you are seeing in this image, this particularly introduction video. You can see that this is the floor plan. What we are going to do, that is the floor plan 2, and of which the same elevation view is being seen here, and the section view is being seen here. Okay, we will seeing all of this concept very clearly and perfectly. So we will be seeing here as the elevation view for the floor plan 2. After that, in the section 11 we will be see for the section view of this floor plan 2. The same we will be making it in perfect detail. After that, the section 12 will be started. Here the we will be till here only. I was planned to cover the course, but for your more understanding and all the things, I have added one more section here, that is the section 12, in which we are going to see for the extra files for the independent practice. As this two floor plan, whatever we are going to see for the section, elevation, all the things, we are going to do that the same things, and I have taken it perfectly. But for your further knowledge and further practice of it, I have added the section 12, over which the extra files will be present, and I will be adding you some extra detail to it. Okay. Over which you can see that the already made block files, whatever the block files are required there of the furniture and all that, I will provide it in this section for the extra files. Then after, you can see that the elevation plan 1 means I have taken the different plans. Okay, 5 different plans I have taken. Based on it, you have to I will just show you how it is been seen and provide you a .dwg file. Basically, .dwg is the drawing template, that drawing file of the AutoCAD, over which you can do the all the things. Okay, I will providing you that file, and in the resources tab present in the Udemy platform. Okay. Over which you can see that we have taken here as the 5 plans, that is the elevation plan 1, elevation plan 2, and the 3 floor plans, floor plan 1, floor plan 2, and floor plan 3, for the independent practice. So your whatever you have learned or understand in this sections, or till in this complete course, you will get full knowledge, and at last we will be conclude our course. Okay, like this way we are going to take this course, that is basically the complete AutoCAD 2D for the civil engineers. As we have completely seen what we are going to do in this course, so let's get started. Every day we are going to upload 2 videos of this course. Okay, so let's get started. That's it for this intro. We will start with this introduction to AutoCAD.